Hi everybody, it's me, Mel. I'm down in the studio and I thought I would just show you what to do with your kit when it gets here to get yourself all set up for painting. So let's take a look. First of all, there are a couple of things that you're going to need that are not in your kit. So you're going to need some paper towels or an old rag will do, and an old jar or a cup with some tap water in it to clean and dry your brushes. But that's about it. Everything else I've got you covered. So here's your kit, little pizza box that says Paint with Mel. You open it up and everything that you need for your painting session is in there. So you're going to get a little project guidance sheet that shows you all of the materials that we're using and gives you just some quick tips and tricks. You'll also have a gallery card, which is a photograph of the painting that you're working on. So you've got an up-close copy right there at your side while you're painting to reference. You're going to have a paper bag, and in that paper bag are lots of goodies. You're going to have all of your paint and brushes. Can you see in there? Look at that. You're also going to have a piece of palette paper, because not everybody has palettes. So this is paper that's designed specifically to use as a paint palette. One side is flat. That's not the side you want to use. You want to use the really smooth, shiny side. And then we've also got our canvas, that we're going to be using today. So let me get that out. And this is what we're going to do. The paper that's inside your box, put that down on the table that you're going to be working on. And that's going to protect your surface. Then I want you to take your pizza box, this little lip that folded inside to keep it closed, fold it the other way. Set it up, and now you have a tabletop easel. So you can just put your canvas right on it, your palette paper in front, and then all of your paints and brushes can just come right out. So all you need to do is take a little popsicle stick or your paintbrush, scoop your paint out onto your palette, and you're good to go. So there you go. I hope that helps. I'll see you guys. Can't wait to paint with you.